Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to Mr. Herring's fifth grade math online lessons. Today we are going to be talking about adding and subtracting with decimals as money. So today we'll continue adding and subtracting decimals, but today, however, we will be adding and subtracting decimals in the form of money. It's still important to remember the strategies we use for solving questions or problems involving decimals. I will be using those strategies when we are answering questions involving some decimal questions with money. So we follow those strategies. Number one, we always line up the decimals. We add the zeros where there are empty place values. And then we add or subtract like normal. All right, so nothing really changes. We're just adding in that decimal piece. Okay, so let's practice with some computation. All right, so the first question we have is $3.56 and $1.32. But before I begin, I'm going to do a little estimating to make sure that my actual answer is reasonable. If I look at $3.56, if I estimate to the largest place value, that's going to be about $4. And $1.32, if I round to the largest place value, that's about $1. So my answer should be close to $5. All right. So over here, I will do the work. $3.56 plus $1.32. 6 plus 2 gives me 8. 5 plus 3 also gives me 8. 3 plus 1 gives me 4. So $4.88 is about $5. So my answer is reasonable. All right. So my next question down here, we have $23.87 minus $5.16. So before I begin, again, I'm going to do some estimating. So $23.87 is about $24. And $5.16 is about $5. And then I will subtract $24 minus $5. Well, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, of course, that's just going to be zeros. Now I have to subtract 4 minus 5. But before I do that, I'm just going to take away 24 minus 5. So 24 minus 4 is 20. Minus 1 more is 19. So my answer should be about $19. All right? So let's find out what my actual answer is going to be. So $23.87 minus $5.16. Notice I lined up my decimals. 7 take away 6 is 1. 8 take away 1 is 7. 23 take away 5. So I could do the same way I did up here, but I'll go through the steps. I can't say 3 minus 5, I trade. So 13 minus 5 is 8. And 1 take away 0 is 1. So $18.71 is about $19. So that is a correct answer. All right. So let's do another one. So let's think about money a different way. If I have $3 plus 2 nickels plus 3 dimes plus 5 pennies. Remember, the first step is lining up the decimals. So $3 is simply 3 whole. 2 nickels. We know that 1 nickel is 5 cents. So 2 nickels is 10 cents. And that is 10 cents. Plus 3 dimes. Well, 1 dime is 10 cents, so 3 dimes is 30 cents. Plus 5 pennies. And 5 pennies is 5 cents, or 5 out of 100. And if I add in my missing zeros, so $3, and if I add them all up, I've got 5. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 3. So my answer is $3.45. All right, so far so good. So what if I had two $10 bills and I purchased 3 drinks for 75 cents each? My question sentence is, how much money would I have left? So my key action there is I'm taking something away because it's asking me how much do I have left. So I'll start with two $10 bills. That gives me a total of $20. And then I purchased 3 drinks for 75 cents. So I've got 75 cents plus 75 cents plus 75 cents. If I add them up, 5, 10, 15, carry the 1, 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22, carry the 2. So my answer is $2.25. So here, how much would I have left if I purchase something that costs $2.25? So I take away $2.25. Remember our strategy from earlier? I cannot take away anything from 0, so I go all the way to my first whole number, and that 2 becomes a 1, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7. Drop my decimal. 9 minus 2 is 7, 1 minus 0 is 1. So the money I have left is $17.75. All right? So now for the final question. James works and earned $30.50 doing chores at home. He bought a game card for his Fortnite game that cost $10 and some snacks from school that cost $8.25. How much money does James have left? So my question is, how much money does James have left? So I'm going to stop there and I want you to pause the video and I want you to work this out. And then when you're ready, hit play so you can then get your answer. So go ahead and pause now. Okay, welcome back. So let's see how you did. We know that he started with $30.50. He spent $10 and $8.25. My question is, how much does he have left? Well, if I take $30.50 and subtract some number, how do I find what that number is? I need to add $10 plus $8.25 for a total of $18.25. I take that away from my original $30.50. I can't say 0 minus 5. I trade. That becomes a 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2, so 25 cents. I cannot say 0 minus 8, so I trade. That becomes 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So you should have had the answer $12.25. So that is adding and subtracting money in a nutshell. Please remember, you can always go back, review, rewatch, pause, and get as much from this as you possibly can. If you need to watch it again, you can certainly do so. All right. So remember, when you are doing your work, to use all of those strategies, lining up the decimals, filling in the empty spaces. All right. If you need to, please remember you can go back and rewatch the video before you begin your homework. Take your time and show your work if you want success. Best of luck to you guys. I'll see you tomorrow with any questions you might have. Thanks, and gig 'em.